you have considered the cost of these schools? Don't look at a ticket of a school, meaning the price, and become shell-shocked, right? Like, oh, I can't apply to there because there's too much money. You never know how much scholarship money you're going to get, right? So you want to look at them and say, oh, okay, if I get this much, then that would be good if I can get this amount of money. So you want to make sure you at least apply and see so that you can see what type of financial aid award package you will receive. What you need to know from this day forward, start studying your social security number. Just like you know your cell phone number, you should know your social security number. When you get to college in this whole process, you need your social security number. Now, what happens once you are done with the FAFSA, you've submitted it, you apply to a school and you get accepted, you receive a financial aid award letter. On that award letter, they're going to tell you all the grants, all the scholarships, whether you got merit aid, whether you got some grants from the school, the institution itself, and they're also going to tell you about loans. For some, you will need student loans to help you educate yourself. Now, as a freshman and every year thereafter, student loans increase. What do I mean by that? They give you more money each year. So as a freshman, you can only get $5,500 in loans. Look to your left and right and link arms with that person so that you can lean on them when things get hard at college and you feel like you want to go home and give up. They'll be your support system, and all three of you will be here next year.